How to list property on Booking.com 2026. First of all, launch the Booking.com application onto your device. Now, all you have to do is gather your required documents. First of all, you need the host details, your legal first and last name, and phone number and a government-issued photo ID for KYC compliance verification. Then, exact physical street address, precise coordinate pin on the map, room layouts, and a list of available amenities is also required, and at least 24 high-resolution photos capturing every room, the bathroom, kitchen, and exterior without watermarks. And also add your bank account information to configure your monthly guest payouts. A utility bill or business registration license dated within the last 6 months to verify the property's physical location. Now all you have to do is create your partner account, define your property profile, configure the policies and rates, open your calendar, and sign and go live. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.